This is Jez. Thunderstorm's now been going on for approximately, I don't know, how long, Jez, would you say this thunderstorm's been going on?
This storm's been going on for maybe 45 minutes, I reckon. We've had 3 showers. I've washed most of my clothes. And we've done some washing, we've done flip-flops. It's been wonderful.
So the kids at Mama's orphanage aren't actually allowed to come outside in the wet because it's quite dangerous for them. There's quite a lot of water. This is the main orphanage building. And this is the dining hall. And this is where the kids go when it starts to rain. This is the hardest rain we've had so far, but we've only been here for 3 days.
Alec's clothes are submerging, unfortunately.